Well, he is your friend. A close friend by default, because you sleep together too. You're seeing each other, but a FWB is purposely casual. It trades the potentiality for you two to become an item, with maintaining staying friends when the benefits dissipate due to one starting to date someone. So you're currently FWB, you're seeing each other. You treat it the same way as any purposely very casual, but you are relatively close friends though, too. So it depends, spending Xmas with his family, as if you're a couple. That means, assuming he's not a clueless person, that he wants to be more than FWB. If you don't want to be more than FWB, don't do that. Spending Xmas with family and many friends. Totally cool. Treat it the same way as if you're just friends. If you want to be more, sure, go with it if it's just him and his family. Don't if you want to be just friends. Same goes with FWB. But family and friends or just friends in the evening and a couple family members over at his place. Yeah, do it up. You guys are friends, and then some, but purposely not a couple, so it's all good.